Hi and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you or show to you how to add your college on your profile on Snapchat. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply launch your Snapchat app. And then you need to click on on your profile picture on the upper left corner of your screen, and then this will pop up. So normally Snapchat has this feature where you can see add college beside your zodiac sign in your profile, but since I don't have that feature, I will just guide you through it. So if you have that feature, and it says that add college beside your zodiac sign, you just need to click that, and then click add college, and then they will ask for your .edu email address. You will just simply need to type in your .edu address if you have your university account, and just confirm that you came from that university. So that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.